Hey again. Okay, so this week, what I've been doing at nighttime when the kids go down is I've actually been painting. And I'm not a painter, never thought that I could even be a painter, but I love what I have made. Okay, so what started this all for me was Emily Henderson. She was encouraging people. She actually shared a bunch of her DIY art pieces and I loved them. And she said, use the hashtag #ShowEmYourDIY. So I thought I would try it out. I have this piece that I'm obsessed with. It's one of two of my favorite pieces that I own. And I have wanted to try this out for so long. I bought all the art supplies.
Art attack!
I just haven't made the time.
The time has come.
We have the time now. Well, kind of. I'm still busy with 2 kids. Jameson's just waking up from a nap. So still busy through the day, but at nighttime, this has really helped me take my mind off of everything that's going on, and I am beyond thrilled with how these turned out. So let me share. I'll show you how I started, how this came to fruition, and where it's hanging now. So this was the inspiration. This is a piece of art that I own and I absolutely love. And what it helped me do was it helped me emulate the different waves, the directions, the colors to really bring this painting to life. And I'm so thrilled with it. Right now you can see it's hanging in Jameson's room. So the trick here is just have fun with it. Who cares if it doesn't turn out? Actually, the one painting that I did, I actually had it sitting on a cabinet in our family room for about a week. And I just kind of kept tweaking it. So when the paint was out, I made my tweaks and now I'm happy with it and it's staying where it is. So it turned out pretty good, right? Both of them, I'm so happy with them. And it has helped me deal with what's going on at the same time. So I hope I can encourage you guys to do the same. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next Monday.